Bastards have it easy, don't they, like that?
Didn't you get a Brazilian? Didn't you get a Brazilian? Didn't you get a Brazilian one day? You wax?
What's she doing? Did you? What'd she get a Brazilian? I think
That's the one she got.
corned beef.
I think it's called Hollywood.
Yeah, where Monday get them guys are full of chino in there.
Puerto Rican, there's a lot of famous Christmas.
Rose or something in it. Back crack.
Sack?
Or something. Aye,
Crack and
that's it.
sack.
Sack mac and crack.
He went down to our wee, took our wee dog.
That's what you need.
He took
I trimmed mine with your scissors.
We're back in 3 weeks.
It's back in New York. Then it's just a fuckery the next day.
Is that the dog of yours?
What?